I generally don't know who anyone is.
In this table? Really? You
I
don't?
just know Nadia because she's the face of my brand.
Yes.
I know Zinhle because, well,
Wow.
it's Zinhle. I have no idea who the fuck anyone else is except Pindy because she manages Nadia.
Who manages Nadia?
Huh?
Who manages Nadia?
Pindy, who's in the pink thing.
Oh, the one who's wearing pink.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's all I know. And then I know my clients who are paying all this
okay.
and expecting me to manage their fucking money.
Oh my
Yet
God.
they're busy overspending.
It's
And I
fine. Let
just
them
made some
overspend.
bets. Oh shit, you're already lying.
I am.
Stop it.
Hi guys. So, by the way, since you don't know me, I'm Liyema.
Yeah, what a beautiful name.
Thank you so much. I'm
It can
Xhosa.
only be Xhosa.
Yes, yes. I was about to say I'm Xhosa.
Always, Tuna.
Always Xhosa now.
Of course I am.
Manyang? Ay po, isumelan nyo.
I give that to Gucci.
Nadia. Oh, thank you. Never mind. I hope it doesn't turn off.
Are you good?
But this light is not bright as the last one, right?
We have it
It's
the wrong way or something.
Okay, so it depends on how. No. Wait.
Well, let's check.
Let me just hold it.
I have no idea how to work this shit. And then your commenter people are probably gonna say, "Who the fuck are you with?" Because that bitch.
But who the fuck are you though?
Huh?
Who the fuck are you?
It doesn't matter. Can we just have our shit like and do the things and be good? Those who don't know, it's
I
fine.
love that. I was actually
It
gonna.
doesn't matter. Who the hell?
It doesn't matter, right? As long as we're having fun.
Why? Like, why must people know?
Why must people know?
We're good though. I think we're good.
Yeah. So we don't know each other, but we know that we Xhosa. Her name is Olwetu though, and
You swear
I'm
I'm
Liyema.
Xhosa.
Are you really Xhosa though? Or you like to be?
I'm straight Xhosa.
Okay.
I'm literally from Old Transkei, eThapelehashe. Xa ugqitha iMqanduli, over iMthatha. Is where my dad comes from. And my mom comes from.
Have you always been here though?
No, I have not. I grew up in Port Elizabeth, which is now called Ikateka.
Period.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
I
okay.
hate that you're catching me at this time. Wow.
Why?
Because I'm working and you're busy.
I'm also working.
Yeah, well, I guess I work.
I work for Instagram.
I work with Instagram. I just never work with on.
You don't.
Yeah, for them.
Oh, makes sense.
Yeah. Wow.
The filter's on you now.
Is it? And what am I supposed to do with it? I'm trying to figure out what do people do online.
You kill me.
Halloweeny. You clearly have a lot of followers because there's like 360 people on this.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out like bra. Like I don't even know.
Titumengani, guys. Titumengani. No, like we generally don't know each other. Titumengani. They're gonna tell you. They're probably gonna comment.
Please bank this or send this to me because I'm gonna need to hear.
No,
this
it's not a video. It's a live.
I know it's a lie. You can still bank a lie. At least I know that much.
Let me put this phone down. Okay.
Oh, Sam does say you look freaking amazing.
Thank you, Mzansi.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the Queen of
Sprinkle,
England.
sprinkle.
That's the Queen of England.
Which one is that one?
Me.
Yes. They better know.
She's like, yes.
They They better know.
She didn't need no explanation. She just like, yes.
They better know.
No. What's this now? It's filter sana. Don't go play na.
Uyisendele live uyibona.
Andizokwazi ukusendela cause I send and yes.
But can't you bank a live?
Can't you what? Bank
a live, save a live.
The thing is, I'm not gonna save this. I'm just gonna delete it.
Just send it to me then.
How about, do you have a phone? Do you have Instagram?
Wow, babe, I'm not that bad, hey?
But I can't search you up because we don't follow each other.
It's fine. You can find a way to search people.
Okay.
There we go.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, here we are. Look
I
at me.
just sent her my live. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know you could do that.
Okay, I need to remember that I'm still at work.
Yeah, no, guys, it's time to go party now.
But no, I'm Betuna always.
Guys, we need to go.
I probably know these people.
Yeah, they probably know you.
Yeah.
They probably know you.
No time. Long time no see.
Always.
Prince Wompilona. Ngiyakthanda Sithando. I'm trying to figure out. You better use your real name on these Instas. That's why I went to school with you.
I know.
At home.
Are they telling the truth?
I'm literally never on any socials and on any public platforms.
This is basically her first live video.
I actually do that.
She's never done this before.
Thank you, Stella.
Yeah, there's people that know you from high school.
I didn't even know this was a thing. thing. Oh dear Lord.
But you're already too. I'm Liyema. I'm an artist. Yeah, I'm vocalist.
Oh, beautiful. So you sing.
Yes, I sing.
And you write music.
Yes.
So I'm always too. I work in marketing and advertising.
Okay.
I make ads. I shape people's behaviors.
PR.
I do marketing solutions.
Okay.
Which involves advertising, PR, activations, eventing, and everything that is associated
Sounds like a lot of
with
work.
how to sell.
That's nice. Like in interviews.
It's not really nice.
For who? For the people that are
It's a
doing
thing that works.
Okay. So it works for them.
It has to. It's the only formula anyone has.
So what is the criteria though for delay France? Like why
The
specific
criteria for what?
for the brand that we are currently in discussion of? Yes.
The criteria for ambassadorship? The criteria for
Yes.
what?
Ambassadorship and influence.
You have to be somebody who has a qualified taste, a refined palate, somebody who understands that there's a maison that makes certain kinds of wine in a certain way. Whether this wine is, this sparkling wine is...
Hi, Anna. Are you leaving? Are you coming to
Going to live.
What about check? That's what they said. I told you. That's what they said.
Yeah, guys, my photographer is arriving at 11:30. The photographer arriving at 11:30.
Yes, that's what I heard.
No photographer is arriving at 11:30. I
Guys,
can't move
Anna
him now.
looks so good.
I can't move him now. I can't
He looks stunning.
I'll see you there next time. You
I
probably won't.
told you they said 2 o'clock.
I sleep at that time.
Exactly. I was like, I'm sleeping
I'm a
at
big
2
girl.
o'clock. So, but you lied to me. You said 11. Everyone is saying 2.
I said 11:30. My photographer arrives. Videographers arrive. A lot of people arrive at 11:30.
Yeah,
so I don't
no.
know who spoke. Oh hi, it's midnight. Check.
12 o'clock. I'm probably not going to the after party.
I
Bye.
could tell you were.
Yeah, I'm not going, shame.
It's so crazy how many people know me from your live. What the hell? This shit is wild.
You should do lives more.
I will never do a live.
You should.
Ever. I could never.
Oh no, paparazzi didn't send me my pictures. Do you know K paparazzi?
I know what the fuck that is. What's that? Baby, yo, you don't laugh.
K paparazzi ngumtu. Ngumtu. It's actually
Like a reporter.
One of
Wow, guys. I'm so scared of the people who are watching this. Calling guys that I'm okay. I'm not going through anything. I'm good. I'm just hanging out with the people I work with sometimes. So
Sometimes.
I hope people can relax.
Anyways.
Wild.
Anyways.
That's a weird
We're still
experience.
gonna
That's a weird
No, you
experience.
should do this more actually.
No.
Yes.
Why do people
Wait,
know me?
you-
Okay, I know.
Coming up with solutions, but you've never done a live video before.
But I don't have to. It's not a criteria.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, you're good.
We're good.
I hate the fact that I didn't even dress up for this shit. I came from the office and I look like literally. Can you see the ugly duckling versus the swan? I feel so sad.
Don't say that.
I don't appreciate this.
That's not a good thing to say.
But I quite enjoyed the experience. I really do.
I'm glad you do. We're back. My data ended.
Like, damn, Liyema, who are you? Like, why do you have people watching you? Like, at like 300 of them. Like, at, wow.
They said I'm queen of
That's just
England.
weird. Anyway, naman.
I'm queen of England now. But no, like I just told you, I like.
Always to is such a baby, y'all. Who the fuck is saying that? Can we
She's
call that
saying
back?
always
Always
is such a baby,
y'all.
y'all.
The way she
She's
screams and excitement.
her name in the comments.
Because I've never had this experience, you guys. Like, I have a 9 to 5 kind of job. I'm a mom.
Oh, you are.
As much as my son is 21, I'm still a mom.
Excuse me.
Okay, rest.
Wait, how old are you then?
I'm old.
No way.
Oh, that's
no
just
way.
little.
No
Hey,
way.
did you see these waves?
What grade?
I'm old AF. I've been old for a really long time. I'm gonna turn 40
I am
this year.
shocked.
It's gonna get a little
No, you look really good.
careful.
You look really sharp.
Careful, let's understand because
At 21-year-old. Guys, don't judge my nails, yo. I was fighting.
10 does don't like unbonised show me. Wow, sir. I come show the people because people must know no matter. Wow. That shit is wild. So crazy.
Guys.
Go see, bro. Like, this is weird, but it
See,
feels
you look
cool.
good already. Wow.
I think I went to high school with the plate.
Babuza, you went to Edu.
I did.
Also, they do
like,
know you.
literally. Ngiyabas labantu.
And they do know
It's
you.
so wild. Because if I ever put on a live, these people would not show up. They're showing up because it's your live.
Really? So you've tried before?
No, I've never tried. I'd never do that. Like, I'm too big for that. I'm too old, not big. That's so crazy. Who the fuck are you, Liyema? Fuck, bro. I feel like I'm in a trap.
You should work with me.
I'm happy to if I know who the fuck and what the fuck. And I'm glad
I'm
I
happy to-
caught the tail end of it because it means that there's something.
Right? The engagement.
There's definitely something. You know, like I've got
Oh
a
my
million
gosh.
rands under my belt, so it's cool.
Eh.
I
Did you hear that? Yeah, no, but it's time to go, guys. I'm gonna leave.
Masambin, guys, I've set you guys up at lunch.
How many bottles are we popping? How many bottles?
200 baht.
We
have to kill 200 bottles tonight at lunch.
Tonight. Imagine.
It's set up. It's not just for you, it's for this vibe.
The vibes, right? That is crazy. I don't know if we should go though. 2 o'clock is too far.
But you can go now. Your table is set. I set it up for 11:30, bruh. I said so.
Oh, so we can go now.
Yeah, I said so. Martin, Labantu.
No, Ben Mogola Peltus.
Peltus.
I'll just, I don't know.
No, since no I'm a last one.
Yeah, no. Let me go check for my brother and cut this live video. Guys, this is
I swear, I love these comments. I swear, I could stay on this live for the rest of the night because I appreciate this freaking commentary.
Right?
What? And also like, I never do that. That's so wild.
This means the lilies. The lilies.
What is the lilies?
The lilies is
I'm 500
my
years
family.
old, so you better say it.
It's my family. So, yeah. So my family symbolizes like flowers. We have a symbol of flowers.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
So, zinto zakokwenu zizithakazelo zenu, don't know.
Yes.
Got it.
So, yeah. When they put a flower, just know it's my family.
Inaman. Oh, uthandwa ndim, Dali. Dali, unanana.
You're so wild. Guys. Always too gay. Always too. They know you. That's one thing. That's one thing.
Since I used to work as a model.
Oh, you were a model?
A long time ago.
How long was that? Was it like in high school?
It was like from 2011 to like 2016. I was
Why did
like
you
the
stop
face
though?
of dance.
Really? That is
Because I
big.
needed a real job.
You needed a real job. You were tired of chasing your passion. Was it your
No.
passion? Was that your passion? Was just
My like earning an income and having sustainability for myself
yeah.
had to be the passion because I'm a kid, right? So yeah.
But it did work out for you. It did.
Oh, it worked out real good though.
It really did. Guys, Olotu is a millionaire.
Oh, fuck off. Like when I'm and now she's like, do you see? I always tell you,
We are
influencers tend to lie. Half their job is lying. Half their job is straight up lies.
First of all, I'm not
Guys,
an influencer.
you are
Let's
talking
start
me.
there.
I will ask you for yay. Stop it.
Let's start there. There's a difference. I'm a brand. But all I'm gonna say is, you are making us pop bottles, 200 bottles tonight. What does that mean? What does that mean?
It's not coming from my pocket. It's coming from my client's pocket.
Well,